is Natalie Hickson, co-founder of Entrepreneur Kids Academy. Hey, if you're watching this video right now, it means that you're considering enrolling your kids in the Academy. And that's great, because if you do, they're going to have a fantastic time learning how entrepreneurship works. I want to give you a sneak peek of what's inside, because as a mom myself, I like to know what my kids are looking at. And I also hope that if you do buy the program, that you will walk through the course with your kids just to get a feel for what it is inside. So first off, we have the tools and resources. The tools and resources share how to keep your kids safe, whether online or out in just the world around us. It's a great place to check out. The Entrepreneur Kids Academy Handbook. This is where you'll find all the modules. It's the meat and potatoes of the program. This is where they're going to learn the most and apply this stuff to their life. So when you click on one of the modules, you'll find a chapter from the handbook, a worksheet that goes with it, and a video that walks them through both of those things. Private tutoring. This is where you and your kids can schedule a private session with just us, and we can answer any questions about business or the program, the workbook, worksheets, anything that pertains to the kids and their learning. We want to be able to help them. So this is where you'd sign up for that. Case studies of successful entrepreneur kids. This is so fun. So in here, they're able to click onto this and get a worksheet. And with the worksheet, they learn how kids who are already successful in business, how they did it and why. They get a link to the podcast because all the kids that are in the case studies have been interviewed by Enya, and they'll be able to listen to the podcast if they haven't heard it already. And then there's also a link that refers them to certain parts of the handbook that help them see how these kids did it, how they can do it too. Inspiring interviews. In here, we've got interviews with entrepreneurs who started business as kids and continued their path to be successful entrepreneurs as adults. These are fun and inspiring interviews that your kids will really learn a lot from and get completely motivated. They're really fun to watch. Worksheets and templates. In here, they're going to find worksheets they can work on, templates for business. If they're going to create a business, they've got like our fast results flyer. They'll be able to download that and use it for their business. Money management, video and tutorial, all kinds of great stuff inside of there. So that concludes your little sneak peek in the Academy. We hope that if you enroll your kids in the Academy, that you have just as much fun as our kids have had going through it.